So we're starting the morning off right by going on our phone. This is super realistic, if I'm honest. I will literally spend a solid half an hour to an hour just on my phone doing things. And I like to open my blinds, and this morning I got a package, and honestly I don't know why I look so mad, but I do. So I got a really nice crystal package from this amazing Instagram page called Bad Witch Crystals. I'll leave her username down below. This amazing blue calcinate, I think that's how you say it. I really struggle with saying difficult crystal names, but it was absolutely stunning. And as you can see, I'm opening a few of my crystals. So I got a lot of amethyst, rose quartz, I got that beautiful agate, which is amazing, and I also got some selenite hearts, which are so beautiful. I literally am obsessed with this package. I'm so glad I got it. And those are my crystals. And then I just like to go on my phone for a little bit. I was Snapchatting my friends what I had gotten because we're all crystal obsessed. So I was just showing them what I got, obsessed with the pieces. Now I'm just doing like a little warm up. Now my PT told me to do this in the morning, so that's what I've been doing just to get my body moving. And then I am going to clean my room. I don't have to, but I like to.
Watch out!
And now I like to go and water my plants. I find it so important to do this, especially because my plants can usually take water about once a week. So I find it really important to make sure they're getting water once a week. And here's me just going around and watering my plants, and also just taking a moment to thank Mother Nature for being able to be surrounded by such amazing plants. And this angle is absolutely awful. I am so sorry, but that's me watering my plant that I'm super proud of. And now I'm just going to do a tarot reading.
Watch out! Listen!
Hello, it's me again, editing Beth. So for some stupid reason, I should look up here, not here. My camera did die. Surprise, it always does. But I filmed my reading and me explaining and me talking about it on my phone, which I have, but every time I try and export it into my editing software, into iMovie, it doesn't do anything. Like, the image and the video itself is black, but the audio still works. So I'm just taking one for the team, saying, look, it's not working. I tried really hard. I've been spending like half an hour trying to figure out why it's not working. Sorry, headphone users. But I just don't know why. I don't know why it's getting me really mad, but this video does need to go up. I'm really sorry, but that part of the video won't be included. Basically, I just asked if I should move back down to Sydney, where I was originally living, and if I'd be okay financially, because the reason I did leave was because I went fucking broke, and that's the honest truth. That's that. I hope you enjoy anyway. The next clip you're about to see is me coming back from a run / walk. Let's be honest, I jogged like a little bit. That's about it. I try and go for a walk twice a week in the morning, like when I first wake up, but obviously today was pretty chill. Did a little reading and I watered my plants and just took it really slow. Super fun and stuff. I'm so excited for you to see it. I'm also really sorry this video is really short. Like, when I first edited it, it was literally 2 minutes long, and I was like, I'm sorry. Like, that's not okay. I hope you enjoy and continue with the video. There's me coming back from a run. And now I just like to go on my laptop and just like go over YouTube stuff, look at that sort of stuff. And then I like to do my Book of Shadows, which is super exciting. I just like to put on some music, really nice, fun music, and then just go along and do my Book of Shadows. And if you guys want any more information about the Book of Shadows, please let me know because I am obsessed with my Book of Shadows. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.